So welcome to Innisfree, which is on Brackenlands, which is a street just off the main drag into Wigton, but at the south of the town. And we're looking at a nice big 4-stroke 5-bed semi-detached house. I'm just going to pan round and just show you. This is as you come in to the development, so we've got quite a quiet little development here. That's the main road going down there. That wooden fence to the left hand side, that contains a very large lawn that comes with Innisfree. So we'll go out and take a look. This has been a house which is traditional sort of 1930s style semi-detached, but it's been hugely extended and it creates some very, very large living accommodation. So there's your frontage, little lawn out the front, and then we come in through the door and into the hallway. So I'm going to show you the original house to start with, and then you'll see the extensions. This is going to be ideal for families really, when you see the size of what's on offer. So we walk in the hall and we come in and we see reception 1, which is a nice bay fronted room. It's got a lovely cast iron feature fire there. The fires aren't usable, they're just decorative. But this is a nice room, plenty of room for sofa and chairs, TV table. And this is reception 1. And then we come through into the second reception. This is to the rear of the property. So it could have all sorts of uses. Second living room, use it for dining. There's lots of things you could do here. Nice big window looking out to the rear of the property. And that's our second reception. And underneath the stairs here is a very handy WC. So that's tucked away there. We've got WC. Got a wash hand basin, so that's really useful on the ground floor. So we're going to come in now, we're beginning to come into the extended areas now, and we're into this huge big kitchen, which has got a range of units at base and wall level. We've got a Welsh dresser style unit here, so lots of storage in the cupboards. We've got a ceramic hob. We have a double oven, electric oven and grill. We've got a sink with drainer, 1.5 bowl sink with drainer. And this room is green carpet. This is about to be lifted, so this is going to be a wood effect laminate that's going down, so it's going to be more modern once that gets fitted imminently. We've got an area here for dining, easy get a table there for 6 chairs or so. So there's the dining option there, and then we've got reception 3. And again, this is due for a new carpet, so there'll be new carpet down by the time your new tenant comes in, which is in a kind of a browny, creamy colour. We've got a gas fire over there for additional heating. The whole house is gas central heated. It's double glazed. There's windows all across all the elevations, so there's lots of light comes into this house. We're on a little bit of a grey day, so maybe not seeing it as best, but this is the biggest reception room. So you can see there is loads of room on the ground floor for a family. And if we take ourselves upstairs, you'll see that this spacious theme continues as we look into the bedroom accommodation. So we're letting it as a 4-bed. There is a 5th bedroom, it's more of a kind of home office sort of style. And I think what we'll do, we'll walk through, we're into the extended side. I'm going to show you the master room to begin with. So good room, double bed, wardrobes, lots of space for you to put your bedroom items in here. And we pan round there, you can see the space that's available. And this one is en suite. So we have a WC, we have a shower cubicle, which has a thermostatic shower inside of it. And then we have a vanity hand wash basin arrangement with lots of cupboard space for your bathroom items either side. So that's the ensuite to bedroom 1, which is in the extended part of the property. We come in, we'll look at the second bedroom, again in the extended part. Again, loads of space in here, generous double room, double beds, furnishings, etc. There's a little glimpse out of a view, looking over to the front of the house and towards Wigton. Over there back into the estate. Now we're really convenient for the town centre here. All Wigton shops and amenities, restaurants, bars, we've got schools, supermarkets, so everything is on hand. I'll show you the family bathroom. It's quite a glamorous affair where we've got all the elevations are tiled. We've got this nice bath, which is a double-ended bath, and then we have a wash hand pedestal basin. We have a bidet and we have a WC, and we have the second here thermostat controlled shower in the main bathroom. So that's your family bathroom, all powered in here, bit of an airing cupboard. You can see we've got a big hot water cylinder there and a pressurized system which will keep all the showers and heat flowing. And we'll look now in the two main bedrooms from the original build of the house, which again are both doubles. This really is a family house. Once again, we've got the nice little feature fireplaces. They are just decorative, as I said earlier. This is a good double bedroom, looks out over to the back of the property. That's our garage, which comes with a let. So that's something I'll show you in a second. And then our fourth bedroom is here. So nice neutral carpets. All the walls have all been nicely painted, so it's fresh and all clear. And again, I'll just show you out the front window there so you can see your view. The final internal room for me to show you is that small bedroom, which we think is more of an office, potentially a dressing room, somewhere to store items. Very, very much on the single side of things in here. And that's a bedroom that looks outwards to the front. So that's our internal accommodation. Let me show you the outside space. So we access the rear of the property via the side door, external door from the kitchen. And it takes us into the back. I'm going to show you just in here, which is a little outhouse where we have plumbing for there's a sink there. There's plumbing in there for a washing machine. So a decent place for you to do your laundry. And then out here, the whole of the rear portion of the property is laid with these flagstones. Those double gates you can see there, those open up. So you can bring your vehicles and park off-road if you prefer. And there's quite a long access drive, which I'll just show you there. That's shared with a neighbouring house, but you can come up over there and you can park into this area. You'll easily get 2 cars, possibly even 3. And you've got a detached garage as well there. And then to the side, we've got a nice generous lawn, which is well securely fenced. All the fence panels there, they'll be regularly maintained by the landlords. And it's secure from the front of the house as well, via this little access gate, which takes us back round to the front. So there you go. That's Innisfree on Brackenlands in Wigton. A nice 4/5 bedroom, hugely extended semi-detached property, available now with hunters.